Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. So today's video, we're going to be putting together a rack that I got from Amazon. I have something in my eye. Excuse me, y'all. Apologies. And also, I went today to have my teeth cleaned, and I had an extensive cleaning. And here's why. When the stay-at-home orders went into place, of course, dentists' offices, doctors' offices, everything just kind of shut down. And so what ended up happening was I go to the dentist every 4 months to have cleans. And so my dentist was closed. I don't think I actually went for what was close to 8 months, actually, because I had went, then everything was closed for about 6 months. And it had already been a couple months since I went. Anyway, when I went to get my teeth cleaned in July, the girl, the hygienist who normally cleans me was not there. She had stepped away from that job and went somewhere else. I was talking to her today because they were cutting hours so bad. And so she went somewhere else. So we had this other person, I guess a fill-in. And can I tell you, I told her today, I said every day from that time till this time, 4 months, I've been just worrying my teeth going, I don't think she cleaned my teeth right. I don't think she cleaned my teeth right. So, anywho, needless to say, when I went back today, I even called back to the office. I said, is she going to be there again? Because I cannot. I just cannot. Like, it is not going to work for my life. Anyway, when I went back today, the regular girl was back. She actually didn't want to be at that other place where she had went. And they wanted her back. And I guess hours are back to whatever she needed it to be for her living. But because I didn't have a good cleaning the last time, and because it had been so long since I had had a cleaning the previous time, she really spent a lot of time on my teeth, about 50 minutes cleaning my teeth. And so it is just a little tender. Also, I had scheduled to get 2 fillings back here fixed. And then I needed to get a filling here fixed. So I ended up getting 3 fillings done instead of 2. I don't have the best gag reflex, but we worked through it. He did fine. I mean, it really was fine. Something's in my eye. It really worked out fine. But anyway, I'm at home now. And I you guys saw where my clothing fell down, that rack that I had fell down in the garage. So I ordered one on Amazon. I was gifted some to buy one on Amazon. The one I found was $75. And so I knew I was going to have to put some money to it. But I ended up, y'all, this is such a blessing. Ended up having some Amazon gift card money on there. That, in addition to the gift that I got, so I only ended up having to pay like $12 out of my pocket. So it was very good. And we have, this is like an industrial grade one, not one of those plastic ones, but it came and we have to put it together. So I'm going to get that done. And then over here on the desk, I have a lot of homeschool stuff that's just been sitting there. And so I need to get that put up in the homeschool space. And then I also had to get Jackson some pants. Jackson is a little wide in the hip area. He's very thin, but he's got some trendiness happening. So I ended up having to go to Walmart and getting him some pants. I got 14 and 16 Huskies. I got the slim fits and I got the tapered pants so that he doesn't have the wide legs because he does not like wide legs. But they fit much better in the hippie area. I'm really afraid to take the 16s back. I got 1 14 and 2 16s. I really don't want to take the 16s back because I'm afraid if I wash them, they're going to shrink. So I'm trying to decide. And I got me 2 pairs of boots. Anyway, I'll share a budget update with you guys and how I was able to get all that stuff when I do my budget update for the week. So we're going to get together and put together this rolling rack. This says it is a simple houseware commercial Z base garment rack. So this is supposed to hold up to 250 pounds, 250 or 400 pounds. It's a lot of weight. So hopefully once we get it together, my clothes won't fall again. And we're going to be able to put the garage back together a little bit and then clean off. Because I still have some prep items out here and some homeschool stuff that will need to go. So the kids and I are going to get together and put this thing together. Okay, you guys, so we got the rack together. It's pretty wide, but the best thing about it is it's very sturdy as far as the bottom is concerned. Let me see if I can back it out. Okay, so it's a heavier metal than the other ones were. This one is metal, but it did have some plastic pieces on those other couple that we had. So what I'm gonna do now is get all my hanged clothes and hang them on here. And this should actually hold all of my clothes that I have here. The max weight, I think, is 250 pounds. And some of these things I borrowed for an event I was going to. And the lady that I borrowed them from doesn't want them back. But I don't want to give them away in case she changes her mind and does want them back. So I'm just going to hang. I don't know where that small coat came from, but somewhere. So far, so good. And a lot of these are like jackets, blazers, things for the winter time. Alana's outside picking kale out of the garden. And I still have some room to put more things. Now I just have to figure out where I'm going to put it in the garage. And I'm just going to have to shift and rearrange some things now. Put it in the kitchen on the sink. What do I want it here for? Oh, bring it here, man. This one didn't make nothing. Pick that up. All right, because it wilts. Yeah. So this is kale from the garden. Alana's picking this, but they thought it convenient to bring to the garage. Take this. Yeah. Go take that in the kitchen. Sit it in the kitchen. Alright, you guys, so it's looking a little better. We still have to go through, like I've got a ton of just stuff I've got to go through. And probably this winter break, I'll get some of these things cleaned out. I think some of the luggage we're actually going to end up having to donate. We have enough luggage and we have an abundance of luggage. So we may end up just donating some of that. Way in the back are my school boxes from years and years of being in the classroom, and I do need to go through those. But as it is now, we have cleaned up another space. We've gotten all the clothes from there. Now, these are Taekwondo bags. Right now, they still can't bring their bags back to Taekwondo yet. So that has all the kids' gear. This is my son's bag from being in the military. Instead of him taking his boxes with him, he left boxes and bags. So here are all of his uniforms are here. And we've got some stuff up there as well. But for the most part, I just wanted to clean up some floor space These are bathroom mats and stuff. I just need to repack that bag. I just need to repack that with no problem. A lot of the junk, or like this stool is broke, that scooter's broke, the lamp is broke. So normally Handy Mandy would come over and do like a trash haul for me. But with virtual learning and stuff like that, so she's home with her kids and has not been doing as much of the things that she used to do. So I have another guy that's going to come over and haul some stuff, but his schedule, you know, he works on his schedule, not on mine. So, because that had been gone months ago. Anyway, at least now I can walk in here. I can get to the pantry if I need to. This is going in my car to take to work. That's just some paper. This is Goodwill. And then I've got some Goodwill stuff over here. This is, I'm going to see if anybody in one of our local groups needs a bedspread with some curtains. And then this is just trash. So, you know, we got that shelf up. I mean, that rack up. I'm so glad and thankful that it works. I mean, all the clothes are on there right now. I probably could put more clothes on there if I needed to. But it looks really good. I've got some more prep stuff that I need to bring out here. I almost forgot that. So let me bring that out real quick. All right, so there it is. I put some more pans and just household things over there on that shelf. We got rid of a few more buckets and bins. And I know somebody would say, oh, Shakema, you could use those. Yes, I could, but I'm not. And they're taking up space. Goodbye, bins. If I need more, I'll condense what I have or just buy some new ones. Somebody else can use them now. I'm not using them at all. These lights go back outside into the seated area. But when we had that hurricane, we just pulled everything out and we did not put it back yet. So that's going back outside. We did pick up some hand soap today because we were out of that. So, but we are going to need to buy more hand soap and we're going to need to buy some more toilet paper. So every time I go out, I'm going to just try to pick up toilet paper. And we have some. We've got toilet paper up there. We have toilet paper here and some here. But I don't want to run out of toilet paper. We can do without paper towels. I'll be okay with that. But toilet paper is non-negotiable. So anywho, you guys, there it is. Just wanted to share with you that little bit. I am so going to try to get some of this trash hauled off just so it can, you know, open up a little bit more space. I still can't get to my homeschool stuff just yet, so I'm gonna have to make something work with the homeschool items that I have over here. But no worries, it'll be well. We'll get it taken care of with no problem. But anyway, wanted to bring this to you and show you what we got from Amazon. And watch Jackson and I put it together. Sister helped with the trash. The kids picked the kale. We got some green beans out of the yard as well. So anywho, there it is, you guys. Just wanted to share with you kind of what we were working on and all the things. So if you liked the video, be sure and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and we'll see you next time. Bye now.